Pepe's running the dirt from there to here. The driveway's a little soft right now. Gotta let it sit up for a while. This is the halfway mark. Right at the end of these piles here. We cleared this ridge because we needed dirt in this low spot up here. That's some of the dirt we gotta move off the driveway. It'll probably turn into a little bit of foundation work for the house to be. That's pretty cool. This is the ridge that goes down. Where the machine is up there, that's where the house will be. Definitely a lot of work moving with one skid steer. Phone keeps on focus. We have two culverts down here. Should flow pretty good. They're both well into water don't flow very much. Like far down for it's not a whole lot of flow. We should be okay. And this is my office for the day. Big holes you see where the stumps were. I had to dig all that stuff out. Wait on that tight. Parking the Jeep away from the machine. Knowing me, I might back up and smash a big dent inside of it. Alright. Pretty worn out. The tracks on the skid steer over there actually just came off, and had to watch a video on how to get them back on. Ended up working out, so that's good. So the people told me that basically this ground has to be in a way where the water would never run up under the house. Of course, right now it's not all smoothed out. I'll get it all smoothed out when I'm done, but as you can see, or you may not can see, it slopes down that way, and then it slopes down this way and goes around. These metal bars are kind of where I expect the corners to be. There's one right there, one right there, and then one right there. So it's kind of naturally already sloped over there, but I'm still going to build it up a good bit. Probably another 2 feet or 1.5 feet or something in the middle. Maybe just a foot, I don't know, we'll see. But I got to get the good dirt, which is all the way down there, all the way up here. It's gonna be fun. I sure wish those dump trucks could drive up here. It'd be so much quicker. Anyway, that's the job for today.